Professor Ravindra Sarunke, Educational Counselor.
Why Karnataka private medical colleges are a good choice for outside students. Top advantages. 1. Lower fees compared to other states. Karnataka private medical colleges have fees lower than Maharashtra's semi-government and private colleges, making them a cost-effective option for many students. 2. Long-term PG benefits. After MBBS, students can pursue PG, MD, MS at government quota fees in Karnataka if they qualify PG NEET and fulfill eligibility, saving lakhs during PG compared to deemed or private PG. 3. Strong clinical exposure and academics. Colleges here have excellent infrastructure and high patient flow, ensuring practical learning and strong clinical skills. 4. High pass percentage. Karnataka colleges generally show good university exam results, indicating structured teaching and academic support. 5. Many Marathi students and cultural comfort. Large number of Marathi students study here, creating a supportive environment and easing cultural adjustment. 6. Better than abroad options. Fees are comparable or less than abroad MBBS, but with the benefit of no FMG exam and direct Indian registration. 7. No donation beyond fees. In KEA counseling, Karnataka counseling is transparent with no hidden donations under KEA process, unlike some other states' management quotas. 8. Strong alumni network. Colleges like KMC Manipal, MS Ramaiah, JSS Mysore have alumni working in top hospitals in India and abroad, helping in placements and PG guidance. 9. Hostel life supports better study. Staying in hostel ensures discipline, focus, peer learning and academic collaboration, essential for MBBS success. 10. High cutoffs indicate quality. Some colleges have cutoffs higher than government colleges, reflecting their reputation and educational standards. 11. Swift counseling process. Karnataka. KEA counseling is organized and timely, with most seats, 70%, fill in first round, avoiding long uncertainty. 12. Registration open only in first round. Registration is open only in the first round. After that, no registration window opens. You can participate in all further rounds without fresh registration. 13. Strong local support system. Colleges have student welfare teams and local contacts to help students with any issues during their course. 14. Good NEET score utilization. If your NEET score is not enough for government college in your state, Karnataka private colleges give a solid alternative without donation burdens. Final summary. Karnataka private medical colleges provide quality education, strong clinical exposure, lower fees than many states, future PG benefits, and a supportive environment, making them a smart choice for MBBS aspirants from outside Karnataka.
Gyan Guru Counseling Center, Professor Ravindra Sarunke, Educational Counselor. Call 9850674719 and 7796346775. Our mail ID is gyanguru.edu@gmail.com. Our main office is in Pune. Our offices are also in Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai. Visit our website thegyanguru.com. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates and information.